Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix sound problem on Windows 11. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is launch Windows Explorer and right click on this PC and click here show more option and click here manage option. Now click here device manager option. Now guys, select here this sound video and gaming controller and expand it high definition audio device. Right click on it and click here disable device and click here yes. Okay, again right click on it and click here enable device. Okay, check your problem is fixed or not. After that, again right click on it and click here update driver, search automatically for driver and close this window. Now we are going for next method. Now right click on sound icon and click here sound setting. After that, select here volume mixer and expand it. Check your volume and click here reset option. So guys, check your sound problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on start button and click here settings option. After that, select here Windows Update and install all Windows Update under your laptop. Click on install and installed all Windows Update here. Your system will be up to date here. Now click on start button again and click here file explorer. Click on this PC and right click on it and show more option. Click here and click here manage option again. Now click here device manager again. Okay, and expand sound video controller and right click on it and update driver again. Click here and browse my computer for driver. Click here and let me pick this, select this option and select this audio device and click next and click here yes button. Your driver will update here. Close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. Now again right click on it and uninstall device. Click here and click here uninstall option. Your sound driver will uninstalled here. Now again this option and click here scan for hardware changes. Right click on it and click here network changes. Your sound problem will fixed here. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on your audio device icon and click here sound settings option. After that, click here more sound settings. Under this option, select here more sound settings and select here sound option. Click on it and select here no sound, Windows default again, save as, cancel and recordings. Right click on it and properties. Okay, properties, listener, levels and volume up and click here OK button. Okay, this setting will set here. All settings should be set here same as it is. Click on OK and click here OK button. Okay, your problem is fixed here. Now if your problem is not fixed, please install audio driver on your laptop. Okay. After that, guys, restart your laptop and desktop. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.